Hi Beauty Monsters. I'm going to share with you how I'm going to enhance my look really quick with this one piece wraparound ponytail. Okay, it's 20 inches. It's a beautiful curly texture. I just brushed it out because I wanted it to look very not so neat. I just wanted a nice free looking wave. You want to have your ponytail braided down, or my hair is short right now, so you just want to condense it just so it doesn't have a lot of friction from the ponytail. And you're going to take this first clip here, you're going to put it at the base of your ponytail like so, and you just put it in there. You shouldn't feel any discomfort. You want to leave your wraparound out. Then you're going to fold one side around the base of your ponytail, and then you're going to take this other side with the wraparound, and you're going to fold it in very snug and overlap that Velcro. And you're going to just bring it all the way around, making sure that the Velcro is touching. And once you have that done, all you have to do is continue to wrap this around to conceal your base. So just take your time and lift it and wrap it. And I love this because you have this really sleek base with all this hair, and I love looks that I don't have to sleep in because I can really enjoy my sleep. So when you're done wrapping, I'm gonna take a beautiful hairpin. You're just shooting one, and you just want to put it in at the base just to keep your wrap together. You shouldn't feel anything. If you do, adjust it. And with this wraparound ponytail, there is a second comb right here. You're going to tuck this into your base of your ponytail, so it's extra security with this comb right back here. So I just like to start it, and I just push it up until it doesn't go up anymore, and it's super secure. Instant glam. Come on with it. Pristine hair, wraparound ponytail.